PDF is a portable document format standardized as ISO 32000, is a file format developed by Adobe in 1993 to present a documents. When you create a Adobe PDF from the document or image, it looks the way you intend it to. The main intention behind creating a PDF is to maintain the file in the specific format to all the users to which we are sharing the file. With the PDF, we can create the static file. And today we are going to see how to convert the PDF of any file format without using any online tool. So we are going to see how to convert the PDF of Word file, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, the browser, the JPG file, and the different file formats which are available in our computers. So now we starts with our Word file. So to convert this Word to the PDF file, first main thing which we have to keep in the mind that initially we have to set all the settings properly, because after creation of the PDF file, the file will be the static. No changes can be made in the PDF file. So we have to check all the things properly before creating the PDF file. So to create the file, we have to go to the file option. In the file option, we have the save as option. In the save as option, we have the first name as the save as name, file name, and second one is the save as type. In the save as type, we have to select the PDF option. Before selecting the save option, we have to go to the option, but we have to check all the options properly that we have to make before the PDF file. Suppose in this file we have the 4 pages, we have to make the 2 pages, that is the first and the second one only. So here we can select from 1 to 2. Or if we have to make the PDF of the second page and third page, so we can give the second and third page in this. Or if we have to create the PDF of all the pages that are available in this Word file, then in that case we have to select the all, and rest of the things are at by default select are properly. So we have to just take the precaution while selecting this page range also, and then we have to select on the OK option. Next we have to click on the save option. This will create a PDF file of the name of this Word file. So this PDF file what we are creating will be the static page, or this is the constant, this will not going to be changed. Now this file we can share to the user. So this is the way how we can create the PDF of the Word file. Now we will see how to create the PDF of PowerPoint presentation. So this is our PowerPoint presentation. In this we have total 8 slides. Same process we have to do here. We have to go to the file option. In the file option we have save as option. In the save as option we have to select this. Initially first option is the cloud computing, that, and next one is the save as type. In the save as type we have to select this PDF option. This PDF option is available with the uh, Office, Microsoft Office. So this is easily available to everyone, so desktop or laptop. Now in here we have to uh, go to same, here we have to go to the options. Here we have to select the different, we can select different options just like the all slides. The current slide means this is the first one, or we have to go for the selection, that is for the slides, that is slide 1 to 8 we have to create, or we have to create the 5 7 whatever the slide we have to create the PDF, we have to select from this. And next option is the publish option. In the publish option we can select the different option for publishing the slide. That is first one is the slide, that is what slide we will get the slide. Second one is the handout, in which handout we will get the, at the bottom we will get the space for writing the notes. Next one is the notes page, where we can write down the notes, and last one is the outline view, in which we can create the outline. So we are going to select the slides option, and we have to select this OK option. Before selection, going to save to the PDF option, at the bottom of the option we are getting option file open file after publishing. If we are uh, selecting this means that after saving the particular creating the PDF file, we will get the PDF file automatically. This is automatically the PDF file will open. If you are not selecting this means that we will not get the PDF file on our screen. So we are just selecting the open file after publishing, and we are selecting to the save option. This means that after creating a PDF of this, we will get on our screen. So this is nothing but a PDF of our PPT file. Next we are going to create a PDF of a Excel file. So same thing here. initially we have to set all the data properly, because in the PDF we will get a data in the fixed format. So in the Excel, initially we go to the view option. In the view option we will get the page break preview. So with that we can set properly all the settings properly, and we can check whether the particular file is properly set or not. So here we are getting all the proper documents, pages sets, and here we are getting that page 8 is the last page. So when we are creating to the PDF file, we have to go to the save as option. In the save as option we have to select the file type as the PDF, and go to the option button, and here we have to select the page 1 to page number 8, because we have total 8 page in this sheet, that is used, that contains the data of the particular sheet. So we are going to convert the page 1 to 8. Okay, and then we have to save it, and right side we are getting the open file after publishing. This means that after publishing the file or after creating the PDF, we will get the PDF format. So this is nothing but the PDF of the Excel file. Now we are going to see the how to create the PDF of image file. So we have this image file. We have to do one thing, that we have to open the particular file with the browser itself. So we have to open the file with the browser itself. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the print option, or we have to press the control P option. With the help of the control P option, we will get the printing option. In the right side print option, we are getting the destination. So here we have to select the save as PDF option. When you're selecting the save as PDF option, at the bottom, at the down, we are getting the more setting. In the more setting, you have to click on the background graphic. This means this black portion will be removed automatically. As we are selecting this, we are this black portion is going to be removed from this. And what we have to do, we have to make the we have to change the portrait or the landscape according to our choice, and the page size, whatever the according to the need of the user, you can select it, margin, and then click on this save option. So when we click on the save option, we have to give the name of the file. So we are giving the youtube file, and we are just clicking on the save option. This means that our file is created. We are going to check whether the particular file is created or not. So here we are given the name of the youtube file. We are selecting the file. At the top you are getting the name, date, the name of the file, and the bottom you are getting the path. That will be set from the setting itself. We are one more time we are going to the browser, that we are checking the print preview, or we can go to the directly right side to the more option, that is with the three dots, and here we will get the print option. We can go with this, or directly we can press to the control P option. Here we have to go to the more option, and at the bottom we are getting the option as header and footer. If you are selecting this, means we are not selecting this. This means that our date, name of the file, and the path from the file will be removed itself. So we are going to save the file. Here also next time we have to save the file. So we are giving time file 111, because previous file is youtube file. Now we are giving the file youtube file 11. Save. We are going to check the file, and in this file we will not get the date, name of the file, and the path itself. So these are the settings which we have to make here when we are going to create the image to the PDF, web page to the PDF. So this is the web page. I want to convert this web page to the PDF form. Now same thing we have to follow this. We have to go to the print option with the help of this three dot, that is more option. Here we have to select the print option, and same thing which we have previously done for the image, same thing we have to we have to do here. That is, initially from the destination we have to select save as PDF, and the save as PDF we have to set the layout, that is we are selecting the portrait, that is a standing page. And here in the more setting we have to select the different options according to our choice. We are going to set the header, header and the footer, which means that we will get the at the top, where we will get the date, the Google search what we did and the path from which this particular page is created. And we are also going to select this background graphics. Whatever the graphics were embedded in this page will be displayed here. And next what we have to do, we have to click on the save button to save the file. Now we have to select the file. We are going to find Lokmanya Tilak LT and just save the file. After saving this, we have to go to the file and we have to check whether the particular file is generated or not. Here we generated the file LT. We will check it. This is the PDF file. So advantage of PDF is that we can read whatever we data specified here and we can check or we can use at any time. The advantage is, one more advantage of this is that this particular data is fixed. If we are publishing this data or we are sharing this data to the 100 of the user, the same file will be sent to each and everyone. These are the advantages of the PDF file. So today we have seen how to generate the PDF of Word, PowerPoint, Excel. Hope so you like this video. Thank